Here, within the heart of Les Vosges, in the forest of Gérardmer, Garnier-Thiebaut has been weaving since 1833. You may know us as GT USA, since we joined your market in 1997. But all of this magic still happens in the very same woods in France. With a human scale team, we can accomplish incredible things, pairing new innovations and century-old methods. Our standards of quality, craftsmanship, and care have been refined and tested for almost 200 years. Our legacy is our superpower. With access to the finest raw materials and generations of expertise, our hospitality linens are sustainably woven and free of harmful chemicals. History gives context to our journey, but our most important horizon is the future. It's not just a story about us, but a story about you, our partner, and what we can create together.